Our brain, as part of the body, is never alone. It's being affected by the hormones and minerals that circulate around the body. Same are the other molecules, such as sugar and cholesterol. When you do a checkup with a family doctor, usually they'll check out your thyroid hormones. What they do is the TSH level, which is the thyroid stimulation hormone. From the level of TSH, they will know indirectly about the thyroid hormone level. There are thyroid hormone receptors in our brain cells, so that thyroid hormone has direct effect on the neuron and other brain cells. In the children, if the thyroid hormone level is low, it's gonna have a negative effect on the brain development. Even in adults, the brain are also affected by the thyroid hormones. For example, in the hyperthyroidism, which the thyroid hormone levels are high, people tend to feel anxious. And when the thyroid hormone levels are low, which is the hypothyroidism, people tend to feel depressed and low. Therefore, always try to keep the thyroid hormones in the normal range. It's important to keep the brain cells healthy. This is a crucial factor in the prevention of dementia in the elderly. Prevention basically means you have to do something when you are younger and with a sharper mind. The next hormones, which are usually ignored by many doctors, are the sex hormones. They are the estrogen, progesterone, and androgen. We know that during menopause, the levels of estrogen and progesterone are decreased. This is what happens in the females. And in the males, there is a similar stage in their lives as well, which is a significant change in their moods and emotions. And most people don't know this is also due to the decreased levels of progesterones. So progesterones not just exist in the males, it also plays an important role in regulating the brain function. In Chinese medicine, the endocrine and hormones are part of the meridians called triple warmer or Sanjiao meridian. A balanced triple warmer meridian is crucial for the balanced endocrine and hormone system. On the Chinese medicine clock, the time for triple warmer meridian is from 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. So that trying to maintain a regular sleeping habit by going to bed between 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. is an important lifestyle in maintaining the balanced endocrine and hormone system. Next, let's talk about minerals in affecting brain functions. Here we put all the metals as minerals. Some minerals are harmful to the brain. They are copper, mercury, and aluminum. So if you live in an area with copper pollution or mercury pollution or lots of aluminum, try to stay away. And also try not to cook with cooking utensils that contain aluminum or copper. The mineral that is beneficial for the brain is zinc. In Chinese medicine, zinc is crucial for the kidney function, which is the Chinese medicine kidney, the energy source of congenital energy. This kidney function dominates the brain function. When the kidney function decreases with aging, the brain functions, including cognition, memory, and other mental activities, also gets worse. So that when we eat some food rich in zinc, that is beneficial for the brain as well. Seafood, such as oysters, are rich in zinc. One way to get zinc easily is to cook with oyster sauce instead of using soybean sauce, or use both. Lastly, let's talk about some systemic conditions and how these conditions affect the brain. Diabetes is an important risk factor for dementia, including both Alzheimer's and vascular dementia. So get diabetes under control is absolutely necessary for dementia prevention. For those who don't have diabetes, try to stay away from extra sugar is the suggested lifestyle. One of the cholesterols, called triglyceride, has a protective role against Alzheimer's. So if you are taking the lipid pills, try not to get the triglyceride levels too low, since when the triglyceride is too low, it becomes a risk factor for the Alzheimer. The brain contains a lot of fat, about 60 to 70%, so that keep enough levels of beneficial fat in the blood is a prevention for the Alzheimer. When evaluating levels of sugar, cholesterol, and the risk factor for diabetes, cardiovascular disease, as well as Alzheimer's, a comprehensive and holistic view is important. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and listening. See you next time.